Okay, I'm making this short video to take you through the process of installing the process macro for SPSS, which will be used for mediation, moderation, a whole bunch of different types of more complex models as well. So this is the step-by-step for getting this running on your SPSS. Now, if you have certain Mac operating systems, I would recommend just doing these analyses in R because there are some known issues with the process macro for, I believe, the Catalina Mac operating system in particular. I think there's one other that's problematic. So if you run into issues with this on a Mac, if you have SPSS installed, then this is might be better to just go with R. There are some workarounds. Just reach out and we can see if it's possible to get you going on a Mac, but it may not be. So first step, all the files, I download them already, put them in the GitHub repo. So that's your first step is to go there. You can check in the video description. I'll put the link to the GitHub repo there as well. So you just go download as a zip. And then once you've done that, you should see in whatever directory you decide to put it, you'll see all of the files. Right now, I'm still in the middle of building out this seminar, so this is sort of step one. So don't worry if it looks a little bit different. This folder, process macro 4.3, won't look different. So this has everything that you'll need. So what you'll do is you're going to open up SPSS. Can just be a fresh, no data, can have data, doesn't matter. But what you're going to do is you're going to head over to extensions. You're going to go down to utilities and install custom dialog. So when you click this, what you're going to have to do is navigate to this process macro folder, which of course is in that GitHub repo. Process macro 4.3, open the folder process version 4.3 for SPSS, custom dialog builder file, and then you'll see this file process.spd. All you do is you click that and hit open. See, for me, it's already installed, but I'm going to go ahead and overwrite the previous version. So you will see that when it's done successfully, it will show dialog files installed too under analyze regression. So now in order to view this, what you'll need to do is open up a data file. It won't let you without data being open. And the way that you'll access this is you'll go to analyze regression and you will see this process v4.2 or 4.3, whatever you installed, will pop up. And this is the custom dialog that we'll be working on. I won't go through in detail what these pieces are for, but model number is a model number that is associated with the process model templates. So this is important to select the right one for your analysis and then add in your variables in the appropriate spots. So what I have here in the GitHub repo is the process model templates.pdf. And if you open that up, you will see all of the models, what they look like, statistical diagram for them as well. And unfortunately, these don't always correspond to the dialog, the M's, the W's. So for instance, if you are using model 1, it says M here, which if you look at the analyze for the process macro, M is actually a mediator. So here you're going to want to put that. If you use model 1, you'll want to put your moderator into W.